So I think I have spoken quite a bit.
Yeah. Can we have the question answer session now?
Go ahead.
We will have the question answer session now. Those who want to ask the question, please raise your hand so we can unmute you. At the same time, you can have your question to Mataji. Anyone? The topic will be the same, atrocities of Hindu.
This is Ram Tirumala.
Ji Ram Ji, Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram. I just want to share one real experience when it comes to the inability for many Sanatanis to work together. Narrating my life experience when I was a North Brunswick school board member, where the moment I got elected, everybody thought, oh, Ram, Diwali should be a holiday. I told them, no, once I'm elected board member, I cannot just do anything unilaterally. I would like all of you to come together, write a petition, come to the board, because board is an independent, democratically run institution. Come and submit a petition. Yes, few people wrote together. There were over 300 signatures on it. They brought it. But when the day of the hearing was announced, there were hardly 10 to 15 people. The news spread. It could be some of the secular, so-called secular Sanatanis who could have shared this information with other groups. The same day, there were over 200 people from Islamic community who came with a petition to ask for Ramzan to be declared as a holiday as well. Now the board was in a dilemma. 10 to 15 people asking for Diwali as a holiday, then the remaining more than 100 people from other community asking for Ramzan as a holiday. The school board was only willing to give one day as a holiday to one of the communities, even though the enrollment point of view, there were more people who practiced Diwali was there. So as a way to compromise, it was said, again, I had to do this compromise, otherwise they would have declared the Ramzan as a holiday. I had to make a deal to say, let us declare both the days as optional holidays, so the children could take a day off, and they would not, even if there was an exam, they would not miss the grade of that. If there is an assignment not submitted, they would not be penalized. So that was a compromise that was made. When the real festival came, there were 4 students of the entire school were absent for Diwali, whereas there were over 300 students absent on Ramzan. So the next meeting, the board said, Ram, the facts present, Sanatanis don't care for Diwali. I don't know whether it is worthwhile for us to declare Diwali as a holiday. Now, I think when I look at Modi ji and Amit Shah ji and others, I can really empathize with them. The apathy of Sanatanis is what is causing India in a downward spiral. Unless we prop up, we have to cure this problem before it gets too late. We need to start education, if not through the mass, through an indirect way. There is a need to support encouragement for people to learn some Sanskrit as well as other dharmas. Now, a language, asking somebody to learn a new language, they may find it difficult, but we could always try within the languages that are spoken within each part of the country and encourage local bodies or local supporters to encourage learning at the minimum, the real itihasas, not those altered by British or English written versions, where some of their interpretations go, even they cannot understand the purity between the Radha and Krishna, they make it as if it is something mundane activity. So it is very important that we look into it. With that, thank you very much. Again, Rajalakshmi ji, as always, you inspired us, instigated us, allowed us to think outside the box. Thank you.
जय
Thank
श्री
you,
राम
Mr. Ram.
जी
Yeah, Jai Shri Ram. I request Mr. Gupte ji, his hand is raised. Please unmute yourself and put out your question. We are expecting only questions over here, not any explanation or discipline. Mr. Gupta, are you available over here? मैं किशोर कुमार भाई जी से निवेदन करना चाहती हूँ कि वो कृपया नीचे बैठ जाएं.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
you are.
audible. You please.
Yeah. My question is, how do we unite our people to actually counter this vandalism on street fights? Because actually, if you see, the creation of Pakistan was not by any external Islamic army or something, but it was basically done by local guns. And the same strategy has been continuing for the past 100 years, but we have not yet learned, or we have not yet found any counter to this low intensity, high gain warfare strategy. So how do we counter it is my question.
जी, for that I have already given my thoughts. We need to protect ourselves. You need to learn self-defense. You need to learn, would you not protect your loved ones? Is my question. If something happens in your home, God forbid, भगवान की इच्छा, हरी इच्छा से ही सब कुछ होता है, मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूंगी कि हमारे सारे भाई बहन सुरक्षित रहें. पर सुरक्षा की जिम्मेवारी हम पर आती है. अब समय ये आ गया है कि सुरक्षा की जिम्मेवारी हम पर होनी चाहिए. यही मैं कहूंगी.
Yes, I agree. Because, because Shri Krishna never fought. It was Arjun who had to lift Gandhi at the end of the day.
Yes. Actually, भगवान श्री कृष्ण के लिए कहा जाता है रणछोड़ कहा जाता है उनको. He left the war. No, he left the battle to win the war.
Yes.
So there will be at times we need to retreat ourselves and be like Shivaji Maharaj.
True.
Yes. जी.
मैं विनोद भारद्वाज भाई से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अपना जो प्रश्न है वो सबके समक्ष रखें. विनोद भाई भारद्वाज जी, आप हैं वहां पे? या अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य जी भी हमारे साथ है, मैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि यू कैन प्लीज गो अहेड विथ योर क्वेश्चन. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. अभिजीत भाई, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट.
नमस्कार. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Go ahead.
नमस्कार. प्रणाम माता जी. आपका जो
जय सियाराम.
जय सियाराम. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. आपका जो आपने जो ब्रीफिंग दिया है, एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरे फादर, हम लोग ईस्ट बंगाल में एक पार्टीशन में हमारा फैमिली, हमारा जो एंसेस्टर्स वर वेरी बैडली अफेक्टेड. हमने पार्टीशन का जो दर्द हमने सहा है. हम जो माता जी से, हमारे परदादा से सुनते थे कि कैसे हम लोग वी थ्रोन आउट ऑफ बांग्लादेश, आई मीन, एंड वी केम टू दिस थिंग, वी लिटरली पॉपर्स. हालांकि मेरे जो राय बहादुर थे मेरे मदर का साइड में, दे हैड प्रॉपर्टी. व्हेन द ढाका यूनिवर्सिटी प्रॉपर्टी वाज माय ग्रैंडफादर्स प्रॉपर्टी.
हैदराबाद की जन ये मां है.
हेलो
शर्मा जी, प्लीज अनम्यूट योर. म्यूट योरसेल्फ शर्मा जी.
Sharma ji, please unmute yourself
Mute yourself.
so that I can hear
Yeah.
to Abhijit ji.
या तो माता जी मेरा पॉइंट यही था कि ये जो अभी बंगाल में हमने देखा है, क्योंकि हमारा बंगाल में हमारे बहुत रिलेटिव्स है, हम हैदराबाद में सेटल्ड है, बट हमारा उनसे अच्छा नेटवर्क है, उनसे अच्छा कनेक्शन है। तो ये जो मेरा एनालिसिस ऐसा है कि ये कम्युनिज्म का 34 ईयर रूल कम्युनिज्म का और 10 साल टीएमसी का रूल ने ये ब्रेन वॉश कर दिया है कुछ हिंदी कम्युनिटीज़ को। हालांकि ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि सब लोग इतने कम्युनिटी एंटायर कम्युनिटी इज गॉन टू दैट लेवल। 73 सीट्स मिला है, उसमें ये मालूम होता है कि हिंदूज है उनमें जागरूक है, जो उनको और भी जगाना है, उनमें उसको और भी बढ़ाना है।
जी।
मैं ये देखता हूँ कि जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है हमारा, एजुकेशन में ये जो ब्रेन वॉश हो गया है, इनको भूल जाइए, इनको आप करेक्ट नहीं कर सकेंगे आप। तो अभी से अगर आज से हम लोग बच्चे लोग को पकड़े जो क्लास फर्स्ट में है, उनको हम लोग अगर वैल्यूज़ देते हैं, हमारा हिंदुत्व का वैल्यूज़ देते हैं, हमारा हिंदुज़म का, हमारा सिविलाइजेशन वैल्यूज़ देते हैं, मुझे लगता है 10 साल में वो जब भी 10th क्लास में आएंगे बच्चे, 10 साल में बहुत परिवर्तन आ सकता है। ये जो माइंडसेट, ये तो नेशनलिस्टिक स्पिरिट जो ब्लैक हो रहा है ये जनरेशन में, स्पेशली बंगाल में जो मैं देखता हूँ, वो खाली बोलते हैं कि एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, उनका एक स्टाइल हो गया है। जो भी जो कॉमिक्स का माइंडसेट रखते हैं, एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता क्या एजुकेशन मिला है उनको। तो मैं यही रखता हूँ कि हमें होप्स नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, वी हैव बेटर डेज टू कम। ये एजुकेशन पर अगर हम लोग ध्यान दें,
Let me answer you, sir. Let me answer you, because there are many people who have raised their hand. देखिए,
You are waiting for the answer.
देखिए, the education starts from home. Education, your mother, your grandmother, your sister, they are your teacher first. Education, and that is what started with me in my own home. I told you in the very beginning, me and my husband, we were product of Protestant and Catholic community. We chose, when we came in with the Sanrakshan of Barfani Dadaji, to become sadhu. We both, my husband and I. He accepted us and he guided us. He's still guiding us. Many people who know me, they know this fact. Education starts from home. It's my grandmother, it's my mother, it's my father. Even though a major part of my day was happening in the school, but when I came home, we were reading Mahabharata, Gita, Ramcharitmanas, and we will all discuss. There will be one paragraph, and then all of us, we will discuss it. We did not like it at that time. We didn't want to hear it, but somehow we had to sit. So education starts from home. We know 5 education ministers, what they have done. We know it. Now, from 3 to 77 MLA, BJP got. From 3 to 77. It's a big victory. We cannot deny that. Yes, it was miscalculation on BJP's part. And yes, purposely, categorically, West Bengal, I will say, Bangla Bhumi, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Bhumi was divided into 2. Chicken neck was created. So forever we will be fearful. So we know it. We need to become ourselves aware of it. Let me ask you, why is it West Bengal, the land of intellectuals? I will not go on names, you do know it. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We got a victory. We got our independence in 1943 because of Netaji. It is a transfer of power. Why West Bengal? Why Punjab? A land of Veerbhumi is now a land of cancer. Cancer train starts there. And Kerala, a land of Ayurveda and knowledge center. Why are they trying to attack these places besides other? So, Gitesh, if you have, Vishaka, you have another person. Think about it.
Yeah, Rajesh ji, I request Rajesh ji to please put forward your question.
I also request, please make your question and answer session short. Question only pertaining to the point. Otherwise, it's going haywire, I believe.
I know. Just
So we will
ask direct question.
Ask a direct question so that it will be, because already we have crossed 10 o'clock. I think Mataji has to go for another session also.
Ji, I have to go for another session.
Yeah.
And I've already told them I'll be late. Ji,
Yeah,
go ahead.
please.
Thank you very much, Mataji.
Ji, go ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, we are all scared of Muslims. How do we play a similar kind of role here? I mean, I want every Muslim to get, they need to be scared of Hindus. On the roads, in the gullies, wherever we go, we see Muslims and we are like, "Arey, ye log aa gaye karke." So how do we create that psycho?
I'll answer that. They are playing on this fear factor. If they are bullies. How do bullies behave? Bullies are someone, when you attack them, they run away. If they think you are fearful of them, they'll attack you. And another thing is, the factor that hum, like एक माँ बाप के दो बच्चे, right? Or mama, kaka, chacha, dur shehron mein, they are in living different cities. They have 40, 30 children in the same place, same house. Mama, kaka, chacha, and then something happens to one person, immediately they send out SMS message and 300, 400 people gather. But still, they are cowards. They are cowards when they know that Hindus have, this Hindu family can protect themselves, they will not attack you. So do not live in their fear. Do not live in their fear. Start thinking about self-defense. If I answered my question.
Like-minded groups so that you can just message and many of the people will come and help you out. I request Raju Bhai Rumale to please put on your question. Raju Bhai.
Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram. This is Rajiv.
Ji, go ahead.
My question is like, we are talking about Hindus, but people are divided a lot on the political front. Now, if we talk or discuss anything about our religion in, suppose, a friend circle or colleagues, suddenly somebody who is a TRS supporter, he will start blaming you as a Bhakt and Modi Bhakt and all those things, irrespective of, mostly they will be like secular Hindus only. So how do we tackle them? Like, say, I respect whatever political views they have. They may support Congress, they may support TRS for whatever reason.
Yeah.
But suddenly talking about, like, once we start talking about anything patriotic or anything on religious ground, they will start putting you as they will label you as a kind of, Bhakt and Modi Bhakt and a BJP
Yes,
Bhakt.
I understand your question, sir. So there are many people who have raised their hand. Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies if I'm cutting you short. We all come across this. Do you think I do not come across this? Yes, we do. And I asked this question to my Barfani Dadaji, my guru. And I had asked him, Dadaji, you are surrounded by so many crooks and thieves and thugs. How do you tolerate them? He said to me, Muni, tu or Rana Sahab, he calls Rajaji Rana Sahab, tu और राणा साहब ने तो सब कुछ छोड़ रखा है हमारे पास हो, पर जो हमारे पास नहीं है उनको भी तो मुझे साथ ही लेके चलना है ना. So, I'll repeat it in English. Be with those. He was Sadguru. He was a divine soul. Google and you will see. He could keep those people around him and still remain in Sambhav. You and I, we cannot. So what I would suggest to you is surround yourself with like-minded people. Surround yourself with people who think like you, work like you, act like you. H2H is a great initiative started by Giteshji. You will find people who are like you. If you try to change those people who don't think like you, you're wasting your energy. Why not utilize your energy where your energy is being utilized in a better way? Once they see you are successful, they will come automatically. They'll join you. Did I answer your question, sir?
Mr. Siddharth, you are free to ask your question, please. Please unmute yourself first.
To all. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can
yes,
hear
we
you.
can hear you.
I had a single question which Mr. Rajiv just asked. I got the answer as well. But I really wonder what is the problem with the Hindus? Why don't they unite? I mean, keeping apart irrespective their the caste they belong to. But the very problem, the very pressing issue is that why are these people categorizing themselves as with the language they speak, even though they belong from the same Hindu community?
Yeah.
And I never came across.
I'll answer. देखिए, 1400 years of enslavement cannot be removed so quickly. Then after that, 70 years of another enslavement, which told us that you're nobody, you're no good. In reality, that is just the opposite. They divided us. Even now, they are saying you are Brahman, you are Kshatriya, Shudra, you are Jait, you are Vaishya, you are from this language and that language. They are still dividing us. But at least here, in this forum, we all are one. Did anybody ask me or you who you are, what your language is? No. So, Sanatani are realizing it themselves, that there are outside forces that are constantly trying to divide us. So, like I said earlier, stay with the group that thinks like you. Give your energies, all your energies, to those, and their numbers are growing. Listen, in 3 days, we did this worldwide protest. Worldwide protest happened against the atrocities in West Bengal. 5 continents, 50 cities. People were not afraid to show their faces, and they gave us videos and audios, and placards stood in front of the camera and said, Mamata, stop the violence. Mamata, take care of your state. Hindu genocide must stop. Hindu lives matter. This had never happened before. So change is happening. Change. You are young, maybe half my age. Think along those lines. What I can do to better myself, and do not think about not marrying. I don't want to put you in camera in a live show. Do not think that I'm not going to marry, I'll remain celibate and this and that. No! The universe needs, Sanatani needs Hindu Yodha. Why does universe need Sanatani Yodha? Because Sanatan Dharma is the only Dharma that will protect universe. That's the only Dharma that liberates you. My children, those who listen to me, they say, Ma, after listening to you, I can be anybody that I want. I say, yes, you can be anybody that you want. That's what our Dharma says. Because I have the energy within me. Did I answer your question?
Thank you so much.
विनोद भाई भारद्वाज. विनोद भाई, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. विनोद भाई, आपका प्रश्न आप पूछ सकते हैं अभी.
I think you take next one, madam.
Okay. Namita
Hitesh Sharma is
Sharma.
there. Hitesh ji is there
Yeah.
waiting. I mean.
Yeah. Hitesh bhai, let Namita Shenoy ask the question,
Yeah.
and after that, Hitesh bhai, आप उनके बाद आप तुरंत पूछ लीजिए.
नमस्कार माता जी. I am
नमस्कार.
प्रमोद शेनॉय.
जय जय श्री राम. हर हर महादेव.
जय हर हर महादेव. जय श्री
हर हर महादेव.
हर हर महादेव.
जी बोलिए.
Mata ji, my question to you is, since 100 or 150 years, Kashmir, like so many Hindu population were living in Kashmir, and the ancient Sharda Peeth, which is a very important Saraswati Peeth in our country, has also become part of this Pakistan-controlled Kashmir now, and many other temples like the Katasraj temple is also a part of the Punjab province in Pakistan. My question to you is, I want you to answer, in the coming more 50 to 100 years, how can a Hindu, I mean the Hindu brothers, which is that one quality which will help us bind together so that we don't suffer many more Islamic inversions or any other, my Hindu brother does not suffer from that, and we are more united so that we don't suffer from all these invasions and all in future.
जी, जैसे मैंने कहा in my talk, मैं जब बोलने लगती हूँ then बहुत ज़्यादा आवेश में आ जाती हूँ. Yeah, because it's very close to my heart. I had said Adhyatma, Swadhyaya is equally important because you have inner strength. You get the inner strength to face the outer challenges and outer enemies. Then Shastra. हमारे पास we have so huge literature, languages. Every 4 miles the language changes, and each language is just as rich. So Shastra, we need to learn who we are. Whatever community you belong to, whether it's Bengali, Kashmiri, Gujarati, Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, every language is just as rich. And I have proposed to the government that they make it compulsory Hindi language. They need to make one regional language as compulsory, for North to learn South Indian language, West to learn East Indian language, like unite us together. So Shastra is equally important. Learn self-defense, because if you are martial arts, we from South, from Kerala, martial arts started and went all over the world. In US, $32 billion industry is yoga. Yoga practitioners earn $32 billion. So somebody is marketing it, making use of our ancient knowledge. Why can't we do that? When we are emotionally strong, physically strong, educationally strong, every bit of is strong, no one can come near us. Did I answer your question?
Thank you. It was wonderful speaking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ji, Jai Shri Ram, Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev was Rajputana's war cry. Shivaji Maharaj war cry. Everyone, whether you are Shiva, Shakta, Vaishnava, whatever, Har Har Mahadev. Ji, go ahead.
Tesh bhai.
नमस्कार, जय सिया राम, हर हर महादेव. मैं हितेश शर्मा भाग्यनगर तेलंगाना से हूँ. माता जी प्रणाम, आपके चरणों में नमन करता हूँ.
जी, जय सिया राम.
जय सिया राम. मैं ये कह रहा था, हम लोग जो बांग्लादेशियों को बसाने के लिए जो फंड्स इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं,
हाँ जी,
वो बसाने के साथ साथ क्या हम उनको जो उनकी जो रोजमर्रा की जो मतलब सुविधाएं हैं वो उनके साथ साथ उनको हथियार भी हम लोग मुहैया कराएं, बांटें, और उनको 1 साल या 2 साल का टारगेट दें कि आपको अपनी जमीन वापस खुद लेनी है।
जी हितेश भाई, आपसे तो और जगह भी चर्चा होती रहती है, और I will not answer this question in the live session. Yes, just like I said, no, there are certain things that cannot be discussed in live session, the planning and whatever, however we are trying to rehabilitate all those that who have fled. 100,000 Hindus have fled to Assam, and are they going to become a refugee in the state of Assam? It's going to be a big burden for state of Assam. And what about those who are there still in West Bengal are being told either accept peaceful religion or you'll be killed, or you'll leave your woman and your daughter with us for a few days, then you will be able to go back to your village. We have documentation on that. We have videos on that. You know it, Hitesh bhai. And so right now, things are happening, things are working. You cannot take Sanatanis for granted. None. Not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. Yeah. Go ahead.
Roop Ganga. Please put forward your question. Roop Ganga Roy. I think.
जय श्री राम। मैं रूपांगना की मदर मिस्टर राजेंद्र रॉय की वाइफ हैदराबाद से बोल रही हूँ। मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि जो आज का ये चल रहा है ये दौर, इसको हम लोग अगर जड़ से ले, जैसे हर नारी जब प्रेगनेंसी होती है तो जब जैसे अर्जुन का पुत्र सब कुछ पेट में से सीखा, ऐसे
गर्भ संस्कार उसे कहते हैं।
हाँ जी। उस समय से अगर हम लोग जैसे लेडी उस टाइम तो थोड़ा बहुत खाली रहती है और उसके साथ उसके बच्चे, उसका हस्बैंड, सभी लोग साथ रहते। उसी टाइम से हम लोग अगर सनातनी धर्म और ये धर्म की जो भी बात है अगर शुरू करा जाए छोटा सा ये, और ज्यादातर देखा है मैंने कि हॉस्पिटल में उनको जाना ही पड़ता है और वहाँ पे वेट करना ही पड़ता है। बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल में हम लोग अगर कोई मेन डॉक्टर से ये लेके अगर ये शिक्षा थोड़ी बहुत देनी शुरू कर दी जाए तो कैसा रहेगा, ये मेरा छोटा सा सुझाव। क्योंकि मैं भी तब प्रेग्नेंट थी, तब मैं बहुत देर वहां बैठती थी, हम लोग टीवी में कुछ ना कुछ देखते थे, पॉलिटिक्स के वगैरह बात करते थे, उसके वो छोड़ के जैसे हम लोग अगर ये किया जाए कि कुछ ऐसी बातें दिया जाए तो जड़ से ही मतलब पनपना शुरू हो जाएगा और आने वाले जनरेशन का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन हो जाएगा। ऐसी मैं मेरी विचारधारा रखती हूँ, आप इस पे कुछ सजेशन दीजिए।
जी, मैं ये कहूंगी, what I would say, we have 16 sanskar. 16 sanskar are part of life, and one of them is when to become pregnant. Even it starts even before pregnancy. So read up on that. I would suggest, I'm speaking English, read up on that. What are the thoughts? And then during pregnancy, if you know, our grandmother and ladies who are older than us, they used to tell us that while pregnancy, keep good thoughts, read good books, eat properly, not just eating properly, behave properly, be in those environment which is conducive to better health of the other soul that you are carrying in you. So that is also part of our sanskar. And it's unfortunate, just like I said, our shastra categorically have been removed from our education system. But we have to take it upon ourselves, to teach ourselves. Do not look for somebody else to teach you. I did not. I started educating myself. Ji, I hope I answered your question. Ji. So Vishakha ji and Hitesh ji, that is something you need to create another section in your organization to how to educate pregnant ladies.
Actually, I do conduct the
जी माता जी
Garbha classes. So I will definitely get connected with Gitesh Bhai and Hitesh Bhai also to start it planningly. I do take under my banner that making the girl child psychologically strong, and that we do take the Garbha Sanskar. और शादी के पहले से लड़कियों को शादी के लिए और शादी के बाद गर्भ के लिए कैसे तैयार करना है, वो पूरा हमारा एक सिलेबस है जिसके लिए हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, पिछले 10 साल से कर रहे हैं बल्कि ये काम हम लोग। तो डेफिनेटली वी विल हैव द डिटेल्ड सेशन ऑन दिस एंड वी विल स्पीक अप टू एवरीबॉडी रिगार्डिंग।
We're building next generation of Sanatani Yoddha.
Yeah, definitely. It will be in that regard only. So now I think Nivedita ma'am wanted to ask some.
Can this be the last question, please?
Vishaka ji, let us take one last question.
Yeah, Nivedita ji, because she raised hand from a very long
time. There is Aruna Pal ji. She's a good Dr. Aruna Pal. She's a good friend of mine. So just 2 questions and that's about it. Ji, go ahead.
Okay.
Ji.
Namaste, Mata ji. बहुत अच्छा लगा listening to your discourse. I have a particular thought and a question actually, is that why is it that the Article 30A still exists and we are not able to do anything, where the Hindus cannot give Hindu teachings to the students in our schools or colleges, whereas the Christians or the Muslims or even the Sikhs can teach their students in their schools their own scriptures, and we are not allowed. So in history or something, they put a little bit of Ramayana, Mahabharata as epic or as not as our scriptures, it is put as mythology. And when I was making the syllabus, I had the opportunity to make a syllabus, and I had to cloak all our things in the guise of value education and put it in the syllabus. How long do we have to tolerate this? And where our temples cannot be done because the hundi collection should go to the government and to the churches and the mosques. So how do we counter that?
Ji, देखिए Sadhguru, he has started the movement Free Temple in Tamil Nadu. We know, all of us we know, that churches do not keep the money themselves. Other religions, everyone, peaceful religion, keep it themselves. But it's the Hindu temple. Not only the money from the hundi goes to the government, but the salaries are also paid out of that hundi. All the temple administration, be it a priest gets 700 rupees in some temples from the government. How can a priest live for 700 rupees? Whereas peaceful, they get 10,000 rupees. Madrasas, students get money. Do our children who are in private schools, Hindu schools, do they get money? No, they don't. We know all the whatever has been happening all these years. So remember, it takes government some time to rectify. Government is fighting with COVID. They almost won the election in West Bengal and they brought in COVID. So Modi ji and Amit Shah and everyone's attention got diverted to COVID. It's a chemical warfare. It's not just chemical warfare in Bharat, but all over the world. And it's only to make sure who is the strongest, who is more powerful in the world. Bharat was becoming number 1. Everyone was looking at Modi ji, listening to him. This is what I say. एक भूखा नंगा ब्राउन कलर्ड व्यक्ति जो कि जिसको बोलने का ढंग नहीं, Joe doesn't know how to dress, now sitting next to me and telling me what to do? This something the West could not digest. But they have to, because Indians, Sanatani, no matter which country we are ruling that country, not politically, intellectually. In US, Sanatani community is the number one. Why? You look at it. Intellectually, because our family structure is strong. We teach our kids. मैं ये भी बोलती हूँ कि भगवान US में Saturday Sunday को आते हैं. That if the religion, just like Ram Thurmalaji said, he was in education board. Monday through Friday we work very hard. Then we make sure we teach our kids. Every day we make sure we teach our children. We run classes. That is what you have to do. Cannot wait for the government to do something for you. If you do it yourself, the government has to follow. Our government has to follow the Janadesh of people. British government was toppled down because it had Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and 26,000 soldiers that were hung on the tree, from the tree branches. So I hope I answered my question. We have to start from home ourselves. Ji, go ahead, Vishaka ji.
I think, are we done with the question answers?
Yes, I think Anupama ji had to leave. I don't see her.
That's what I'm just saying. The Anupama ji, she is not online, I think so. I can't find
So Gitesh ji, if you conclude, that'll be good.
We have vote of thanks by Rajesh ji, but just give me 1 minute if you can just allow me, madam. There were a lot of questions which were raised regarding the security of Hindus.
Ji.
There are a lot of questions, I think, with regard to security, and for that we are very shortly launching a Hindu rapid force from Sanatan Hindu Sangh. We will be giving one exclusive number, a toll-free number, which can be used by any Hindu person in case he has any problem with any other community person. Please don't use it amongst your brothers, cousins, neighbors and all. If there is some persecution somewhere, if there is some temple demolition in nearby your vicinity, please call this number and we will have a force of around 15 to 20 people who will rush on the spot. We will have a team of legal advisors also who will be in support. So these people will help you in whatever way. If you want them to help you physically, mentally, किसी का कुछ करना भी है तो they will not look back. So these kind of forces we are trying to have it in Hyderabad. But if there are any other people who are out of Hyderabad still now, I think there are many people earlier on. Please try to have this kind of rapid force in your area also. So जब भी हमारे पास problem ये है कि कोई आता नहीं है. But even if you can collect 5 to 10 members और एक फोन पे वो सारे लोग आ जाएंगे पीछे, then imagine कि कितना एक mental satisfaction होता है कि yes, I have 10 people with me. I think if we can do it on a bigger level, on a bigger platform, at each and every city, each and every village, each and every taluka for Hindus, it will be a great a boost for our community. Well, thank you very much. I think Vishaka ji, you are there. Yeah, I think it's over to Rajesh ji.
Rajesh ji.
Yeah, Rajesh ji.
Rajesh ji.
नमस्कार, सभा में उपस्थित सभी विद्वज्जनों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। जैसे कि कहा गया है, यह जो सभा थी इसके अंतर्गत एक बहुत ही भिन्न विषय पर चर्चा हो रही थी, जिसमें भारतवर्ष पर जितने भी प्रकार के अत्याचार हुए, शोषण हुए आदि, इन सब पर चर्चा हुई। तो मैं सबसे पहले माताजी राज्य लक्ष्मी जी का धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने समय निकाल करके अपनी व्यस्तता में सनातन हिंदू संघ को समय दिया, और समय ही नहीं, साथ में उन्होंने एक आशीर्वचन दिया, मार्गदर्शन दिया कि किस तरह से आगे बढ़ा जा सके। आपने बहुत सारे ऐसे बिंदु हमारे सामने रखे जहां पर भाषा से लेकर के, जैसे कि आपने कहा संस्कृत भाषा को सीखना चाहिए, हिंदू भाषा, हिंदी भाषा को सीखना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ में जो प्रांतीय भाषा है, क्षेत्रीय भाषा है, उनको भी हमें सीखना चाहिए। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी कड़ी होती है कि भाषा के द्वारा हम सभी को जोड़ सकते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा संदेश आपने दिया। साथ ही साथ में आपने कुछ पौराणिक उदाहरणों सहित यह भी बताया कि किस तरह से हमारे देश में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के राज्य चलते रहे और कैसे उन लोगों ने उसका सामना किया। तो माता जी, आपने हमें बहुत सा एक मार्गदर्शन देते हुए समय भी दिया, साथ में ये भी कहा कि किस तरह से संगठित होना जरूरी है। अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि टेक्नोलॉजी की बात आती है, तकनीक की बात आती है, जैसे कि 3 दिन में या बहुत ही कम समय में इतने सारे देशों में बंगाल के प्रति एक क्रांति की लहर खड़ी हुई दिखाई दी। तो यह जो टेक्नोलॉजी की बात है, हम चाहेंगे कि सनातन हिंदू संघ में भी इस टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रयोग करें और ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रचार में लाया जा सके ताकि ये पूरे विश्व तक फैल सके। तो ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी की बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है आज के देश में, एक बहुत हमारे समय में एक सबसे बड़ा हथियार मान सकते हैं हम इसको। तो इसी के बल पर बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारे संघ अपनी अपनी बात को जनता में फैला रहे हैं। जैसे कि अभी आपने बताया कि जो पीसफुल रिलीजन की बात होती है, तो वे भी लोग जो है टेक्नोलॉजी का ही इस्तेमाल कर करके और किस तरह से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं वो सब देखा जा सकता है। तो यहाँ पर जो है टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। और इसके लिए हम सबको इसका प्रयोग करना बहुत जरूरी है। साथ ही साथ में बहुत सारे उदाहरणों के साथ में आपने समझाया कि किस तरह से नारी शक्ति को भी आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, नारियों को आगे आना चाहिए आदि, और कश्मीर की समस्याएं को लेकर के और केरल के मार्शल आर्ट्स को लेकर के हमारा देश जो है एक ज़माने से, जो हम यूं कहते थे कि हमारा देश जो है पूरा एक योग गुरु के रूप में या पूरे विश्व के लिए एक गुरु के रूप में माना जाता था। तो यह जो बात है हमें समझने की आवश्यकता है और इसका प्रचार प्रसार होना चाहिए। और एक बात आपने कही, बहुत अच्छी बात है, शिक्षा के माध्यमों में, जैसे कि आपने कहा 5 शिक्षा मंत्री, ये बात सभी लोग जानते हैं कि स्वतंत्रता से लेकर के उसके बाद क्या क्या होता गया और अभी क्या परिवर्तन आ रहे हैं। और ऐसे परिवर्तनों पर भी कई प्रकार के आक्षेप लगाए जा रहे हैं और कई प्रकार का इसका विरोध भी किया जा रहा है। उसके बावजूद हमारी शिक्षा नीति में बहुत बड़े परिवर्तन आ रहे हैं और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में शिक्षा के द्वारा बहुत सा परिवर्तन आएगा जो समाज में एक जन जागृति उत्पन्न करेगा। तो माताजी, अभी वैसे ही आपको बहुत देर हो गई है, आप दूसरी जगह पर जाने वाले हैं और आप पहले से ही कहते जा रहे हैं कि देर हो रही है, लेट हो गया है और सभी लोग आपका दूसरी जगह पर इंतजार भी कर रहे होंगे। तो अधिक समय न लेते हुए मैं सभा में उपस्थित सभी को पुनः धन्यवाद देता हूं, जितेश जी को, विशाखा जी को, जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाया, और माता जी को अनेक अनेक धन्यवाद जो उन्होंने अपना समय निकाला, और सभी विद्वजनों को धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देना चाहता हूँ। सभी को नमन, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू। इसके साथ
I do not stop any of my sabha without swasti vachan or shanti mantra. So if somebody, जी, go ahead.
नमस्कार माता जी, मैं कुछ बात करना चाहता हूँ।
सर, टाइम, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स टाइम इज फिनिश्ड भैया।
नहीं, बोलने दीजिए। Go ahead.
मैं एक्चुअली ओमान से बात कर रहा हूँ, सुल्तानेट ऑफ ओमान। मैं अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य जी ने मेरे को मीन्स इनवाइट किया था, तो ही वाज आवर गुड फैमिली फ्रेंड्स एक्चुअली। सो लास्ट 10-15 years वी नो हिम।
किसी भी युवा से बात करके, चर्चा करके मुझे बहुत आनंद आता है। Go ahead.
या तो मेरा फैमिली मैं ज्वाइन किया, मेरा फैमिली हैदराबाद से ज्वाइन किया, मैं ओमान से ज्वाइन किया आज। तो मेरा एक छोटा सा बात है, अभी जो यूनाइटेड बोल रहे हैं, हिंदू यूनाइटेड, फर्स्ट एक्चुअली हम लोग यूनाइटेड कैसे होगा? फर्स्ट एक्चुअली इफ वी स्टार्ट योगा वंस इन ए वीक, सो योगा क्या देता है हम लोग को? माइंड, पीसफुल माइंड देता है, एंड सोल एंड बॉडी स्ट्रांग करता है। बाद में एक पीसफुल माइंड देने के बाद एक हम लोग अंजाम में पहुंच सकते हैं हम लोग को क्या करना, हमारा लक्ष्य क्या है। तो हम लोग योगा चालू कर सकते हैं क्या ये ग्रुप में, हफ्ते में एक दिन और 15 डेज में एक बार?
जी, मैं I'll leave that question. Sure, I'll leave that question up to Vishakha ji and Gitesh ji. Not just once. There are many shakha HSS जो कि RSS की शाखा है यहाँ. We meet every day. We meet every single day after work. So Vishakha ji and Gitesh ji can organize that for you, for those who are listening and part of H2H. That's an excellent initiative. You know, Chela.
We will come back to you very
हम लोग भी ओमान में योगा कर रहे हैं, HSS हिंदू स्वयं सेवक लास्ट 2.5 years से कर रहे हैं हम लोग का एक छोटा ग्रुप है, 6-7 शाखा है।
Definitely something for you.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Gitesh ji, what were you saying?
Thank you, Rajesh ji, for giving vote of thanks. But the credit and the success goes to the IT team for grand success. I think we have reached almost 100 members at one point of time. I think it's houseful. And
I received the message that more wanted to join, but the limit
more
was
wanted,
100
but it was 100. Yes. So it was a great event. I would like to thank Rajiv Shah ji for his help. Of course, Vishakha ji. Then we have Manisha ji. We have Sanjeev Rumale ji. We have Sumit Pant ji. We have Ullas Phatak ji. Then we have Veera Raghavaiya and Shiva Karthik. I think I am only the face. Vishakha ji is only the face. But these all people were the special heroes for the day, because of them we could make this event possible. Thank you very much to all my IT cell department who have given excellent video of our YouTube and excellent promotion for the event. That is why we could reach 100, which is a remarkable situation I think we are put in. And thank you to all my IT cell team. Thanks a lot, along with the advisors.